There you have it. Moving on, this next segment is sponsored by Culturelle Probiotics. A new campaign from Culturelle Probiotics and global conservation nonprofit Rewild is highlighting the similarities between endangered ecosystems and on Earth and the endangered ecosystems within the human gut microbiome. So joining us now to discuss is Robin D. Moore, the Vice President of Communications and Marketing at Rewild. First question for you is, why is it so important for us to be protecting biodiversity in our ecosystems?
Yeah, so Earth's ecosystems are really what sustain us. They are the first line of defense against emerging disease outbreaks, pandemics, climate chaos, and they provide us with everything from clean air, fresh water, food, and medicines. So really, biodiversity is the fabric of life on our planet. But research shows that the populations of wildlife within these ecosystems has declined by nearly 70% since 1970. And that loss of biodiversity can really disrupt ecosystems. At Rewild, we believe that healthy people need a healthy planet. So protecting and restoring the fabric of life on our planet is at the heart of everything that we do.
And what do these endangered ecosystems have to do with, our gut microbiome?
That's a great question, and one that I would have had a couple of months ago as well. But when Culturelle Probiotics approached us with some of the interesting parallels, it really struck us that there are many similarities. Just as ecosystems of the world are made up of myriad species, the gut microbiome is made up of trillions of living, breathing bacterial species. And it's also facing a loss of biodiversity. So data shows that it's lost nearly half of its microbial diversity over the last 70 years. So when we consider these facts, the microbiome has a lot of the same markers as the Amazon rainforest, the coral reefs, and the grasslands of our world. And the gut is an ecosystem itself and at risk. So we often say at Rewild that rewilding the world starts with rewilding ourselves and reacquainting ourselves with the wild, both within and around us.
Now, what can you tell us about the new Protect the Gut Microbiome campaign?
Yeah, so we've teamed up with Culturelle Probiotics to really help draw attention to the similarities between the at-risk ecosystems of our world and the ecosystem within. So just as so many of Earth's biomes, forests, oceans, grasslands are at risk, the human gut microbiome is vulnerable as well.
And can you share what happens when we do not properly care for our critical ecosystems, both inside and out?
So just as the ecosystems of the world that we at Rewild work to protect and restore, the gut is also faced with a barrage of threats to its biodiversity. So together we're using the Protect the Gut Microbiome campaign to raise awareness of the importance of protecting biodiversity in all ecosystems, both inside and out, because essentially we must take care of ourselves to be able to take care of the world.
Thanks for watching. Stick around by subscribing today and don't miss a single video.